Not all immune support is created equal. Some formulas are for maintenance. This one's for rebuilding. Immune Builder is our strongest immune formula, designed for people who need deep, comprehensive support, not just a quick boost. It combines a powerful blend of medicinal mushroom extracts, like reishi, chaga, cordyceps, lion's mane, maitake, and shiitake, to help modulate and strengthen immune function at the cellular level. On top of that, you're getting vitamin C-rich rose hips, immune-building herbs like astragalus and elderberry, stress-supporting ashwagandha, and antimicrobial support from olive leaf and ginger. This formula supports the immune system from multiple angles: resilience regulation and recovery. If you're dealing with chronic health issues, frequent infections, prolonged stress, or you feel like your immune system just isn't bouncing back the way it should, this is for you. Because sometimes the immune system doesn't need a boost. It needs to be rebuilt.